For my video, I'm going to show you how to do a problem that has two parts. The first part is to find the slope of the tangent line to the curve 9 minus 2x squared at the point 2, 1. The second part is to find an equation of this tangent line. So we'll start out with the first part to find the slope of this tangent line. So they gave us the equation of the curve, y equals 9 minus 2x squared at the point 2, 1. So as we learned in Chapter 2, Section 7, one way to express the slope of a tangent line to a curve is m, or our slope, is equal to the limit of h, or as h approaches 0, of f of a plus h minus f of a all over h. And our a value is coming from our point in this equation would be a and f of a. So we have 2, 1. Our a value is going to equal 2. So another way we can write this is slope equals the limit of h as it approaches 0, and we can write y of a plus h minus y of a over h. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to plug the a value into this equation. So this is going to equal the limit as h approaches 0 of y of 2 plus h minus y of 2 all over h. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take these two values, we're going to take 2 plus h and 2, and we're going to put them in for x in this equation. So that gives us the limit of h as it approaches 0 is equal to, so we have 9 minus 2, and then we're going to put 2 plus h in for our x, so we have 2 plus h squared, all of that minus 9 minus 2, put the 2 in for the x now, 2 squared. And then again, all of this is over h. That next thing we're going to do, let's just come up here, or over here, and we'll FOIL this 2 plus h squared really fast. So that's going to give us 4 plus 2h plus 2h plus h squared. So that's 4 plus 4h plus h squared. So we're going to put this in right for here in this next step. And then we'll also square this 2. So we have the limit as h approaches 0 of 9 minus 2 times 4 plus 4h plus h squared minus 9 minus 2 times 4, because that's 2 squared. And then again, all over h. Next step we have is going to equal the limit of h goes to 0, and now we will distribute this 2 into here. So, and we'll also distribute this 2 into there. So that's going to give us 9 minus 8 minus 8h minus 2h squared minus 9 minus 8 over h. So if we look right here, we have 9 minus 8 and 9 minus 8. So obviously 9 minus 8 equals 1. So we can plug the 1's in for right here. So that's going to give us limit of h as it approaches 0 is, or of 1 minus 8h minus 2h squared minus 1. So now this is all over h. Again, these 1's can cancel. 1 minus 1 equals 1. So that's going to leave us with the limit as h approaches 0 of negative 8h minus 2h squared over h. So the next thing we can do is we can factor out an h in the numerator. So that's going to give us limit as h approaches 0 of h times negative 8 minus 2h over h. And so these h's can cancel out, which is going to leave us with limit as h approaches 0 of negative 8 minus 2h. So now all we have to do is plug 0 into h, or 0 in for h, which is going to give us negative 8 minus 2 times 0, which equals negative 8 minus 0, which equals negative 8. So our slope equals negative 8. So we can use that to get the next part of the problem. So we just found out that the slope was negative 8, and we have our point 2, 1. Now, all we have to do to find the equation of this tangent line is use the point slope formula for a line. So we use y minus y1 equals slope, or m, times x minus x1. Now we can plug everything in here, so that'll give us y minus 1, because this is x and this is y. So y minus 1 equals slope, which is negative 8, times x minus our x, which is 2. Now we can distribute this 8, so we have y minus 1 equals negative 8x plus 16. Now we're going to add 1 to both sides, so we can get y by itself. And that gives us y equals negative 8 plus 17. And that is the equation of our tangent line.